Hello, Jonathan here. Here we are up at the top of Stone Canyon Reservoir, and I want to talk about some potential disasters or the potential for a disaster. If you look off my right shoulder, you will see in the distance the beautiful Stone Canyon and Stone Canyon Reservoir. This was the general location of the Bel Air fire in 1961. I think it was November 5th, 1961. Incredibly disastrous fire. Bel Air is off into the distance. Brentwood is off across the 405. We get extreme wind events here. What happens in a wind event? In many wind events, you have areas that have got wires, power lines, and phone lines that are right in the midst of some of these extremely dry canyons that are just a potential for complete disaster. If you look over my left shoulder and look up a little bit, you are going to see a main set of high tension wires. There's transformers, there's wires. The dark wires on the bottom portion are phone and cable. They're not hot. If you see over my shoulder, you'll see a tree actually touching those phone and cable wires. That is just one example of how close they are to the high tension wires. The high tension wires above are hot. You touch them the wrong way and you're toast. If one of those wires falls and hits some of this foliage on a high wind event day, or when somebody's not paying attention, or they're not able to get air crews up and out quickly, it opens us up for the potential for great disaster. So we as a city, we as a state need to really look at these wires and these wire systems. Maybe it's something that we have to look at undergrounding them when we're in the middle of high fire danger areas, or greater clearance could happen. That's something that could happen right away. So again, I just want to use this opportunity to look right over my shoulder on one side. You see the high tension wires, and right over my shoulder on the other side is a canyon with literally billions of dollars of real estate just down the canyon.